Hi, this is Mitch. If you're an IB Diploma student in your final year, then I have some really good news for you. This February 28th, that's a Saturday, and March 1st, that's a Sunday, we have a series of free webinars that we're offering for you. These are online via Zoom, and they're going to be taught by absolute experts in their fields. And this is going to be in Math AA, Math AI, we have biology, chemistry, and physics. Now, the goal of these webinars is to add to what you've already learned, from your teaching the last couple of years. And the idea here is to give you some really practical tips and tricks that are going to help you on your exam. So I hope you're going to be able to join us. You're welcome to join us by just going to the link that's going to be down below in the description. And the good news is it doesn't matter where it is that you live, because anybody who joins us will get the video for the webinar. So that's why, just in case you can't join us on the actual time, then you'll get the video. So the only thing I would say is do sign up sooner rather than later. Last year we had a really big waiting list. We had more than 8,000 people try to sign up. So you're welcome to join us. I hope you'll join us in February 28th or March 1st. Bye.